Hello, welcome to iteachilearn and welcome to 1 Minute of Montessori. Today, let's talk about hands. Any reliable education system, any alternative method of education system will tell you that hands-on learning is the way to go. Hands-on learning in any level of education involves us actually doing the work rather than just listening to someone talking about it or reading something on it. Be it Maria Montessori's method, Freebell's method of kindergarten, or you have Charlotte Mason, you have Waldorf, and even traditional schools. There is a lot of importance given to children working with their hands and playing with their hands and working with different textures. But reading up on what Maria Montessori has written on hands left me really speechless. Hands play an important role all over in any culture, don't they? Like when you make a promise, when you get married, when you pray, you use your hands. The early humans were first able to grab something, and that skill apparently took millions of years to evolve. So let us be grateful and let us cherish the moment when a tiny baby first reaches out and tries to grab something, because that is the identification of a soul trying to make a change in the environment. Let us celebrate hands-on activities more and understand the importance of hands in our daily life. That's my minute for today. Bye.